Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Roblox on your computer. First, open your web browser and navigate to the official Roblox website. Locate the download button, usually prominent on the home page, and click it to begin downloading the Roblox Player installer. Once the download is complete, run the installer file and follow the simple on-screen instructions to install the application. After installation, launch Roblox and either create a new account or log in with your existing credentials to get started. Once logged in, you'll see the Roblox homepage, which is your gateway to millions of unique experiences. Browse through featured games, popular categories, or use the search bar at the top to find something specific. The left-hand navigation menu provides access to your profile, friend requests, inventory of virtual items, and settings. Take a few moments to explore this interface and familiarize yourself with where everything is located before diving into a game. To join a game, simply click on its icon from the home page or search results, then select the large play button. Roblox will automatically launch the game for you. Inside the game, you can interact with other players using the chat window, typically found in a corner of your screen. Don't forget to personalize your avatar with thousands of clothing options and accessories available in the avatar shop to express your unique style. For a safe and enjoyable experience, it's crucial to understand Roblox's safety features. Parents can set up parental controls to manage spending and communication for younger users. If you encounter any inappropriate content or behavior, use the in-game reporting tools to alert moderators. Remember, never share personal information like your real name, address, or phone number with anyone you don't know in real life to protect your privacy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.